Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a financial model with PlanGuru, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open PlanGuru and create a new project. Select the type of financial model you want to build. Choose a template that suits your business needs. Name your project and set the initial parameters. Input your company's historical financial data. Verify that your data is accurate and formatted correctly. Navigate to the input options to customize your model. Set assumptions such as growth rates and expense projections. Adjust the timeline for your financial model. Create the necessary line items for your income statement. Enter your projected revenue streams. Estimate the cost of goods sold for your business. Input operating expenses and any other fixed costs. Add a section for non-operating income or expenses. Create your cash flow projection. Input capital expenditures and financing activities. Review the balance sheet section. Ensure your assets and liabilities are correctly reflected. Run financial analysis scenarios if needed. Use PlanGuru's forecasting tools for additional insights. Review all components for accuracy and consistency. Save your project periodically to avoid data loss. Generate reports to visualize your financial model. Analyze the results to make informed business decisions. Adjust assumptions as necessary to refine your model. Export your completed financial model for presentation. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.